Are you planning to sell your home but you do not have the upfront funds to make the necessary repairs? Well, you need to listen up. You can qualify for up to $10,000 in repairs to your home with zero out-of-pocket cost to you. That's right, zero. Hi, I'm Gwen with Intero Real Estate at Burlingame. Our Fix to Sell program is designed to help homeowners just like you to help net the most profit from their home when they sell. We're the only company in town offering a program just like this one, and we're truly putting our money where our mouth is. Don't leave money at the table. Let us handle the repairs, updates, and staging to your home, and then we'll provide top-notch marketing and sell it for top dollar. To schedule a free Fix to Sell consultation, give us a call today at 650-255-1511.